Welcome back to my channel, beauties. Today we're diving deep into the world of Hourglass Cosmetics, a brand synonymous with luxury, innovation, and ethical beauty. I just received my package here from Hourglass and I had placed an order for some of their new makeup 2024. So I'm really excited to unbox it and test it out with you, beauties. So let's go ahead and get started. Before we dive into this unboxing though, if you're not familiar with Hourglass Cosmetics, Hourglass was founded in 2004 by Carissa Janes with a vision to create high quality, cruelty-free beauty products that enhance your natural beauty. From their iconic ambient lighting powders to their award-winning Veil Mineral Primer, Hourglass has become a staple in the beauty routines of makeup lovers worldwide. I know it's definitely one of my staples. When Carissa started Hourglass, she wanted to create products that not only perform exceptionally, but she also wanted to align with her commitment to sustainability and animal welfare. Hourglass believes that beauty should be cruelty-free and that every product should be meticulously crafted to meet their highest standards. One of the standout features of Hourglass Cosmetics is their commitment to innovation. They are constantly pushing boundaries, introducing groundbreaking formulas and packaging that revolutionize the way we experience and apply makeup. At Hourglass, they believe in the power of innovation, and that's why so many of their products truly are innovative. Their goal is to create products that not only make you look incredible, but also make you feel incredible. From their Spanish Seamless Foundation Stick, which provides full coverage with a weightless feel, to their Confession Ultra Slim High Intensity Refillable Lipsticks, which contain luxury and sustainability, they're always striving to bring something new and exciting to the beauty industry. So that brings me to my package here that I got today. Let's go ahead and unbox it and see what is new from Hourglass 2024. So beauties, I got my package here and I'm super excited. Now, some of these things are staples in the Hourglass line. These are not exactly new, but I do have some new things here as well. But I'm just going to reach in for whatever comes out first and we're just going to get into it and play. So now I'm not sure if this is new, but I saw this on the Hourglass website and I had never seen this in store before. So I had to pick it up because if you're like me, I do love my Hourglass palettes so much and they're so convenient. They're so easy to use and they just give you the most gorgeous look and effect to your skin and to your makeup look. But are you like me? But sometimes I feel like it's such a hassle. It can be very difficult to get into the pans. And then I saw this brush on their site and I thought this seems like it'll be perfect to fit into the pans. So I haven't tried it yet with this particular palette. I did unbox it when I got it home and I did try it with a different powder. I'll show you in a moment, but not with the palette here like this. So let's go ahead and see how it works with the palette. So now normally I love to dip into, I love all of them, but let's go ahead and do the bronzer first. So I'll just use this side and tap off the excess and it is fitting perfectly into the pan. So as you can see, it really is a good fit because, you know, I always have all these other brushes and they really don't fit well, but here it is now with the brush. Yeah, that's perfect. And then actually, and I'll take the other side and just kind of buff it out. But yeah, I don't know why I didn't see this brush before. Have you beauties seen it maybe in Sephora? I don't think I've seen it at Ulta, but I just don't recall seeing this before. But I got it. I don't remember why. Oh, because I signed up for email alerts. This is what happened. I signed up for email alerts when this palette was released. I wanted to get it because I missed the first round of them. So I actually signed up at the Hourglass website so I could get this palette when it came out. So now I'm signed up for emails and they just sent me an email the other day that they have come out with a new lip kit with Emily Redikowski. So that's actually new. I did get that. We're going to test that out in a moment. But then on the site, I saw this brush and I had never seen this brush before. So this brush is everything. I am so glad that I got it because now I can really fully appreciate this palette. Yes, it fits perfectly. So this is definitely a must-have if you love Hourglass Cosmetics, if you love your palette, if you have one of these palettes. Actually, I have another palette as well with the trio, and I couldn't really ever get into that palette very well either. But definitely this is going to fit into that palette as well. But let's go ahead now and test out. Let me put a little of the highlighter on. I love this highlighter. So yes, this is so good, you guys. This is definitely worth every penny. What do you think? Actually, let me dip into the blush as well. So here's the blush. And it's coming clean beautifully. I'm not even really wiping it, just, dabbing it. So I'm just going to mist my face really quickly just to help everything soak in and melt in together. This brush definitely is a must-have if you love the Hourglass Cosmetics and their palettes. Definitely must have this. So also in my order, I got a sample of this is the Mineral Primer. Oh, I didn't realize it does have SPF 15 in it, which is nice. So I've used this before. I love it. So I'm going to set that aside. It's a really great primer. Now here I ordered one of these. This is the Ambient Lighting Powder. Love this, but I had never gotten this shade here. This is a very light shade. This is actually Ethereal Light. So normally I've never had this color before. I have one shade down, I believe, but I'm so here for that ultra highlighted under eye. Yes, look how white and bright that is. So, and as you can see, this is the type of pan that I usually have. So any brush will fit in. But again, if you have the palette, you need this, you need a brush like this to fit into the pan. But let me go ahead now and try out this powder with this brush. So I'm just going to use it under my eyes. This powder just gives such beautiful light to your skin, and it just gives you the most beautiful glow. So that's what I really love about this powder. And again, this is my first time purchasing this very light shade, but I really like it. It doesn't really come out that bright on me. So it's not artificial looking, and it's a very natural kind of highlighting powder, very finely milled. So it's definitely a great option. If you like that look of the brightened under eye, but you want a more natural effect, this will definitely give you that. And then beauties, this is the lip kit here, but it doesn't actually come together. You have to purchase each one separately. But on the site, they do put them side by side so that you know which product exactly to purchase with the other to get the Emily Ratajkowski look. So this is the lip that they have come out with in collaboration. This is Hourglass in collaboration with Emily. So this one is the lip liner and one is the lipstick. And this is new to 2024. This is the Phantom Volumizing Glossy Balm. And so they recommended or put these two together on the site to wear together to get her look. The lip liner we'll put on first. It's called Uncover. And so I don't think I've ever tried an Hourglass lip liner before, so very excited to try this. So here is the lip liner. This is very creamy. It's not retractable, so you will have to sharpen this, but it's extremely creamy. The color is stunning. It totally filled in my lip line, so there's no separation, and it feels incredible when you put it on, and the color is stunning. If you have a complexion similar to mine, I think you would absolutely love this. It's beautiful. Wow. And then here is the Phantom Lip Balm. So here it is. Here's this beautiful packaging. And now here you twist from the bottom. And let's see, here you go. Like so. And then I'm going to go ahead and put it on. You guys, oh my goodness. I am really lucking out in the makeup department. Seriously. Wow. First of all, I have to tell you, this feels unbelievable. This feels like no other lip product that I've ever tried. It feels just absolutely incredible when you put it on. It has a thickness to it, yet also a glossiness at the same time. It feels very smooth. I'm so happy that I got this because actually on Emily, I think it looked a little deeper on her. So I wasn't sure because normally I don't really like that deep of a lip. And for some reason, I thought it looked kind of deep on her, but on me, I don't think it looks that deep whatsoever. So this is absolutely stunning. I could not recommend this more. I can't even tell you how incredible it feels. It feels very moisturizing, extremely hydrating. It feels just so cushiony on my lips. I do believe it's also supposed to be a volumizing lip balm as well. So I do feel like my lips look bigger and fuller. They feel so hydrated. They feel incredible. And they were feeling very dry. So again, this is the Phantom Glossy Balm. And this shade is actually called Haze. So you can purchase them separately. You don't have to purchase them together. Unfortunately, they don't come together. But again, on the site, they have them positioned together so that you know to purchase the two products to get the look, the Emily Ratajkowski look. So I am so happy. I think this is unbelievably gorgeous. And I felt, sometimes I don't like to buy makeup because I do have so much, but this is truly innovative. This is truly incredible. The powders are incredible, and that brush is just a must-have to fit into the pans. So I definitely feel like these were great purchases, and I could not recommend these more, especially if you love Hourglass Cosmetics. I will have everything that I showed today linked down below with the Shop with YouTube feature. So beauties, I've been actually wearing this makeup and this lip balm for about an hour now, and I have to say I really just have noticed how pleasant and how good this balm feels on my lips. So it's giving me the plumping like other plumping lip glosses and lip balms, but there is no burning, no tingling sensation. It just feels comfy on your lips. Your lips just feel moisturized and hydrated. It is super long lasting, so it has not budged since I put it on. And it just definitely feels so good. And it's just such a pleasure to not have that burning that so many lip plumpers and lip balms will give you. So this absolutely will not give you that pain, that plumping lip gloss pain that a lot of them will give you. So if you want a lip plumper without the pain and the burning, this is definitely one for you. You definitely need to check it out. And I just can't get over this lighting powder, how it just gives you such a radiance, such a glow to your skin. And it's so effortless and so natural looking though. So you definitely can kind of highlight your skin. You can get that glowing skin look, but it's all very natural looking, and it's not chunky and it's not artificial looking. It just looks like you have absolutely gorgeous skin. So beauties, thank you so much for coming and spending time with me today and checking out my new makeup 2024 from Hourglass Cosmetics. If you've enjoyed this video and this deep dive into Hourglass Cosmetics, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for spending time with me today. I hope you beauties are all doing good, and I'll see you very soon. Bye.